everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I am here with my dad.
Hi everybody.
This is Paul, and he is the one behind the scenes that does oh so much for me. My photography, my molds, he just takes all my creativity to the next level. But today, he is going to be designing his own soap, and he is going to be making it. So, you want to tell me your vision, Dad?
So of course I made my own stamp.
He hasn't showed it to me yet.
I know, I haven't.
No.
Because I wasn't going to stamp it with a barrel, because I'm making it. It's my stamp.
Yes.
It's my soap.
See what happens?
So, that's the stamp. You can't read it, or maybe you can.
I can't.
But it's also upside down. It says, handcrafted, with love, by a dad. So I got to thinking about this, and instead of saying by your dad, I want it to be generic.
Okay.
For all the dads out there that love their families and their daughters and do stuff for them.
Aww. See, this is the mushy side. Now wait till we actually get to work and we start making it at each other.
Yeah, it'll go sideways real quick.
Really quick.
But what I wanted was a bar of soap that has some sort of like darkness.
Okay.
And then bright spots of lightness pushing it out.
Okay.
To represent dads that just want to wash away, so get it, wash away their family's troubles and sorrows. And when they pick up a bar of soap, they're reminded of it.
Aww.
So that's the concept.
He's
We'll
so
see if we
sweet.
make it to there.
He's so sweet. Oh, I love you, Dad.
I love you too, baby. So now we just have to design it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I loved working with my dad so much. It was so much fun. And here are the soaps. And I will add in a still shot of those with the stamps on at the end so you can really see how cool they look.
They really came out well. Of course, I'm holding it upside down. It goes this way. The stamp actually worked. The bar's a little small for it. But it does say handcrafted with love by a dad. So it is dedicated to all the dads out there who love their families and their daughters and their wives and everybody around them. It's just something to recognize that, so that when you're taking a shower or a bath and you see it, you think about them. And the light to the dark to drive out worries and sorrows. So that was the color scheme, and that's this one.
Yeah.
And it really did sort of blend down. It was actually pretty cool.
It was a good, I think, learning experience.
Absolutely. Two things to remember. One, when you see all those videos and they're pouring what looks to be soap, it's not soap yet. It's caustic lye. And I can't get over that, because you just see them zipping back and forth and you're thinking, it's really a caustic substance. The other thing you don't realize is it really smells with the oils. I mean, you get that scent is driven home over and over.
Yeah.
But having fun is important. Having fun with your family is even more important.
Oh, I love you, Dad.
Baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. And I'm sure we have another video with him coming up soon.
Uh-oh.
Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Have a great
Bye-bye.
day. Bye.